What's cinematic 4K drone footage without spending thousands of dollars? Please watch the full video to know which drone is the best in 2025. In this video, I'm counting down the top 5 best 4K drones of 2025, perfect for beginners, content creators, travelers, and hobby pilots. We're starting from number 5 and ending with the best overall 4K drone, so make sure you watch till the end. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. Number 5. Potensic Atom SE. The Potensic Atom SE is an ultra-lightweight drone under 249 grams, featuring a 4K EIS camera, GPS flight modes, brushless rotors, and up to 93 minutes of total flight time with the Fly More combo. Product review. This drone is an excellent choice for beginners who want stable 4K footage without FAA registration. It's easy to fly, reliable in the air, and offers impressive flight time for its size. Product pros. Under 249 grams, no FAA registration, long flight time with combo batteries, GPS auto return and smart flight modes, smooth 4K electronic stabilization. Number 4. Bwine F7 GIM Pro. The Bwine F7 GIM Pro comes with a 6K UHD camera, 3-axis brushless gimbal, GPS smart controls, and up to 70 minutes of flight time, plus long-range 10,000 feet digital transmission. Product review. This drone is built for users who want serious camera performance at a reasonable price. The mechanical gimbal delivers very smooth footage, making it great for YouTube and aerial photography. Product pros. 6K photo and stabilized video, 3-axis brushless gimbal, excellent long-range transmission, strong battery performance. Number 3. Foldable GPS drone. This foldable GPS drone includes a 4K EIS camera, a 4.5-inch HD screen built into the controller, auto return, follow me mode, and up to 45 minutes of flight time with dual batteries. Product review. The built-in screen is a huge plus for beginners, no phone required. It's a solid, easy-to-fly drone for casual users, kids, and first-time pilots. Product pros. Controller with built-in display, beginner-friendly flight controls, lightweight and portable, smart GPS features. Number 2. GPS 4K drone. This model also features a 4K HD camera with EIS, GPS tracking, follow me mode, and a 4.5-inch screen remote, plus 2 batteries for extended flight time. Product review. Compared to similar beginner drones, this one offers better stability and smoother footage. It's a great balance between price, features, and ease of use. Product pros. 4K EIS camera, long flight time with dual batteries, auto return and follow me modes, no phone required. Number 1. Potensic Atom. The Potensic Atom is a premium lightweight drone under 249 grams, featuring a true 3-axis mechanical gimbal, 4K 30 FPS video, up to 96 minutes of total flight time, and an impressive 6-kilometer transmission range. Product review. This is the best 4K drone of 2025 for most people. The 3-axis gimbal delivers smooth, cinematic footage that easily beats EIS-only drones. It's powerful, portable, and extremely reliable for beginners and advanced users alike. Product pros. True 3-axis gimbal stabilization, excellent 4K video quality, longest total flight time, lightweight, and travel-friendly. You'll find the latest prices and best deals linked in the description below. Feel free to check them out. If you want the best overall 4K drone in 2025, Potensic Atom 3-axis gimbal drone is the clear winner. It offers the best combination of camera quality, flight time, portability, and value. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more top 5 tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy flying!